In states where drivers are required by law to insure their vehicles, many never bother to consider cheap insurance companies. Consumers often assume that the less expensive insurers are incapable of providing the coverage levels needed to comply with the many state laws and regulations that are in effect. The fact is, however, that most consumers can meet their legal obligations without paying the high premiums demanded by many of the major insurers. What is needed? Regardless of where a driver lives, it is almost certain that he will have to carry basic liability coverage. This policy will protect the driver from the costs of any accident in which another person is harmed or property is damaged. Even in states where it is optional, drivers should consider this coverage to ensure that they are not left open to potential liability. It is also a good idea to carry insurance that protects the driver and passengers in his car from any injuries that may result from an accident. Oftentimes, this coverage is issued on a no-fault basis, which means that the insurer pays regardless of who is at fault. Some jurisdictions require this coverage as a matter of law, while others allow drivers to choose it as an optional coverage type. Jurisdictional requirements. It is important for every consumer to spend some time familiarizing himself with the coverage requirements in his area. Every jurisdiction has its own unique statutory and regulatory requirements, and it's the responsibility of every driver to ensure that his vehicle coverage complies with those laws. Additional coverage options. Though not always necessary, there are a variety of other optional coverage types that can help a consumer to provide better protection for his vehicle. Protection against damage to the automobile, theft, and other dangers can be essential to protecting any driver's investment. Cheaper providers. Many of the less expensive providers can provide this coverage at lower cost than their more well-known rivals. Consumers should take the time to compare the various providers in any area and pay particular attention to the low-cost insurers. This is especially relevant for drivers who only want to secure the minimum coverage required. The fact that vehicles must be insured to comply with legal requirements does not mean that drivers should settle for paying more than the coverage is worth. Drivers who are willing to invest time obtaining quotes from the cheapest insurance companies often discover that they can meet their legal obligations without spending a great deal of money. Getting answer to Florida Inn's FAQs is simple when you know where to search. The coverage from cheap insurance companies is good for vehicle owners and is priced right. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.